Okay, so if you're a DJ like me, no matter how long, especially if you've been DJing for a long time, you've inevitably had this situation where you hit the end of the headphone cable like a dog on the leash, right? You know what I'm talking about? Hey, do you have that, like, you know, that type of thing? It's happened to me. I like to dance when I DJ. I can't do that because I get tied up in the cord. It's no good. It's no good. Everything in life now, cut the cord. Listen, got a new product from XVive, the U4 wireless system. It is for a lot of different things. For DJs, this is going to allow you to make your headphones wireless, and we're going to show you how right now. What's going on, everybody? Justin Schwartz here, content director, managing director, founder of the DJs Guru. Back at you once again here in the lovely blue DJs Guru studio. Make sure you're following us on social media at the DJs Guru. Check us out, djsguru.com and djeventgear.com. Absolutely check us out there. And also, you can text me now, 516-357-5868. 516-357-5868. Any questions on this, anything, text me. Anyway, so today we're talking about the XVive U4 wireless audio transmission system that can be used for a lot of different things. What people will use this for in a concert style situation is being able to communicate with front of the house or back of the house wirelessly. What I think it's going to be used for in the DJ world, which I'm going to now use it for, is making your regular headphones wireless, right? You saw in the beginning of this video some funny stuff where I'm doing a spin. I talked to you before about the dreaded situation where they ask you for a request or they ask you a question, your MC's talking to you, and you hit the dreaded end of the cord where you're like, oh! And we've all been there, right? So this is a solution for that, and it's really simple, honestly. I can't get much easier. I just don't see it being marketed this way anywhere. So anyway, I'm going to show you really quickly how it works, and again, real simple. So all of the headphones nowadays have a 1/4 inch, right? But they also usually have an adapter here to make it 1/8. And this is a wireless receiver that is a body pack. I've never in my life been a cell phone on the belt kind of guy, so I don't really like body packs, but for this purpose, I love it. Plug it right in like this. Now you have it here. And now, as you see, my headphones are now wireless, right? So now you have the wireless transmitter that's going to go to the output of your headphones, right? XLR, really good quality, heavy duty metal. And it's XLR. Wait, headphones are not XLR output. Okay, they give you this. Now you got a 1/4 inch. Boom. I'm going to now put it right into my headphone output on my mixer. And I'm going to put it up here so you can hear. Okay, now, question. How does it sound, right? So give me 1 second, and I'm going to tell you. Because I haven't really heard this many times, so hold on. It's not a fun video, because you can't hear the music, right? Okay. So that sounds really, really good. Now my question is, does it sound any better or any worse than the hardwire, right? So let's test that out really quickly, and I'll kind of just give you an idea right here in the moment. of what sounds better. Is there any major difference? What's the advantages, disadvantages of this product? So far, to me, it sounds great. I don't really hear much of a, what could be much of a difference, but let's just do a head-to-head comparison. You can hear it a little bit now, right? I honestly don't, to be honest with you, I really don't. All right, so we got asked a couple of questions about latency, so I just want to do a quick mix and show that there really isn't any latency and you shouldn't have any issues mixing with these and using the wireless transmission to be able to mix. So here we go. Hear any latency? So, this is the U4 from XVive. It is a great price. It's a solution product that can be used in a lot of different applications. You can use it for transmitting from mixers to any type of line output as well. If you need to shoot signal out of a mixer to another mixer, something like that, you can do wirelessly. A lot of applications for that. There is actually two modes on here, one being an auxiliary, one being a line, and you just got your power button. Different 2.4 gig channels here that you select from, very simple. And then as far as battery life, these again are rechargeable, wireless, battery powered, and they both have up to a 5-hour battery. And then this is the transmitter. You got your power on off there, you got your headphone input, and then you have a volume control and your channel output, and that's it. Real simple, you know, really good quality. I'm impressed with this thing. There's not much else to say about this one. I want to make just a quick video because as soon as I saw it, I'm like, this is a no-brainer. DJs are going to love this, and I need it. So I can do my spins now while I DJ with no problem. So anyway, if you need it, let me know. It's going to be at djeventgear.com. You could find it there. It's the U4 from XVive. Any questions on it, drop your comments below or text us, 516-357-5868. Happy to answer any questions for you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Justin Schwarz. We're here to help you as always here at the DJs Guru. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the flip side, everybody. Take care.